Well, I've traveled around the world, and there's very few places that I've been where I haven't met a graduate of Morehead State University, and especially the Volgenau College of Education. Teachers are not restricted to place. They're not place-bound. They can go anywhere in the world because the skill of teaching is a necessary skill everywhere you go. But I think even though the Volgenau College of Education has such an international reach, we're still very much focused on the individual. It's a small campus. It's community-focused. Our faculty know our students' names, every single one of them. We understand their backgrounds. We're connected with them long after they graduate from Morehead State University. And that's what makes this college and this university such a unique institution. In the College of Education, from day one, you're going to be out in the schools experiencing what it's like to be a teacher. You're going to connect content with real-world applications throughout your program, whether you're studying to become a teacher, a counselor, or a leader in the community. Having a smaller campus with smaller programs allows that opportunity for you to be connected with your professors. I think there's a lot of leadership that has come before me that has established the foundation for an academic legacy of excellence. And being a small part of that for however long I will be here is an incredible honor. As Dean, I get to interact with faculty and staff, but I interact with students as well. At Morehead State, everybody connects with each other. There's no divide, there's no separation between faculty and students. We're all invested in each other's success. We all want to see this place make dreams come true for students.